My name is Gary Qualis. I live in the Hudson Valley, New York. Weather here is the best that I can imagine. But the story I want to tell is how convenient my system is. I didn't get it to eliminate my orange and Rockland bill. I got it for obvious reasons: convenience. If storms pass, if rolling blackouts pass, I have now a seamless, and I mean seamless, continuation of my power. I cannot go outside and hit buttons and turn keys. It needs to be seamless the way it is. And on another story, I depend on NOAA for weather. Rain is my kryptonite. And my app lights up before even NOAA lights up and tells me that my system's gonna come on. It's gonna protect me by way of giving me power. My system, me being green, in other words, a novice at this, being guided by people I didn't know that were assuring me it was the right system for me. My phone, everybody's phone is right in their hands. As I said earlier, any storms coming, the sun could be out and it'll tell me later on. I'm looking at this, I'm like, wait a minute, is it wrong? How could there be impending weather? The sun is shining right now, skies are clear. Later on that day, lo and behold, it gets dark, wind starts blowing, and I look at my app and it's like, if you need to go off the grid, it's ready. My neighborhood, you can see lights on in people's houses at night. There's been rolling blackouts and literal blackouts, like, longer than rolling. Rolling is short, half hour. There's been blackouts for 1 or 2 hours. Without even my lights flickering, it's like I don't even know what's going on outside. My elevator works, my well pump works, the things that I need to survive in my house work. And as I said, without a flicker and very seamlessly. I'm a basketball nut, I'm a boxing nut. There's been times where, DirecTV the picture might want to go crazy, but my lights and everything else is the same. I'm going crazy, I'm pulling my hair out. DirecTV, come on, let's get it. I gotta need my picture. But the electricity still remains unchanged. When I show off my system, so to speak, and try to get my friends and family to get it, I have 2 iPhones, and the app is so active that I can point one phone at the other and it shows the flow of electricity coming from the house, actually from the solar panels to the house, and it shows percentages. And it's so informative that I don't need to go beyond my Tesla app. I don't need to look anywhere else but on my phone. And I'm able to show them, by putting on video camera mode and look at the other phone and show them. And I've turned heads. I've changed minds, I should speak. I have a friend is building a home in Westchester, building it from scratch. And he was curious. He has a family, he has older people. They have an elevator for the older people. And I'm telling him, convincing him, urging him to get my system because my situation speaks for itself. I'm wheelchair bound, and I can't, get up and do things that a normal, able-bodied person can. And other systems, I hear about them. They have the radio advertisement, vast radio and television advertisement, and so people don't know about it. What I have, I want to say, hush hush is a good way. I found out it's so hush hush because so many people want it. Production is hard to keep up with the demand. What they have right now is the best that I can imagine. I've never had a problem. I've been 2 years of beautiful weather, but 2 years of as well adverse weather, wind, and like I said, a couple blackouts, rolling blackout and a regular length blackout of 1, 2, sometimes 3 hours where you would want to grab for your candles. My Tesla system makes me forget that the weather is even inclement.